Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, we're going to do another training vlog. And as always, we're going to start with squats. Now, the reason I start with squats is because it's the most demanding exercise and it's the one that I least favor. Now, my squats are going great lately. I've been able to add up 2.5 kilos every single week, which is absolutely crazy. But what's not crazy is the fact that I haven't filmed my squats in a while. So I thought I was hitting depth, but I actually wasn't. And by changing up the angle of the camera, I can go a lot deeper into the squat, but also by just adjusting my squat, I was able to go deeper. And then we're going over to the first superset, which is rope climbs and dumbbell bench press. So the rope climb is really to add in my one arm pull up, because you pull up one arm at a time. You're always going to engage one lat at a time. So that's really mimicking the muscles that you need for the one arm pull up. Also, I'm doing this without assistance of my legs, so that makes it even more like a one arm pull up. Then the dumbbell bench press is mainly because I want to even out my chest muscles and shoulders for the actual bench press so that everything stays healthy, and we're mainly doing this for longevity purposes. The next one is wide pull-ups because I really want to hit my lats from a different angle, and I'm just doing 3 sets of 5 just to get some movement in. And then I also superset this with tibialis raises because my shins were very sore, and I just added that exercise for this week. So yeah, you have to make sure that if you're training in the gym that you are flexible enough to hit the muscles that you feel are necessary. So again, for the pull-up, if you want to be an all-round athlete, you have to train in different angles. So that's why it's very good to mix it up: wide, chin up, neutral, everything. And then as a finisher, I also did some TRX face pulls. These are made in 2 compartments. So first you do your pull, which is actually going to hit your rear delts, and then you're going to do an external rotation, which is going to hit your rotator cuff muscles, which I find are very good for shoulder health. And then something that really aids me in jiu-jitsu is neck curls. So neck curls I do for 10 kilos now, 30 reps. Always go high in reps, guys, because the neck is more of an endurance muscle. So you really need to go high volume so you don't strain your neck too much. And then afterwards, I like to do some stretches, because from the bench press, my chest gets tight, and typically with just a couple of seconds of stretching it out, it really helps to recover better. Well, even maybe it's a placebo effect, but for me, definitely that helps. Then some hangs, some twists on the lower back, and we're good to go. And we can call it a day. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you want to discuss something, that's where the comment section is for. See you there.